So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Pump.fun cryptocurrency or Pump.fun here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top in the Explore page where it says search by name or symbol, type in the word pump. Now at the top here, Pump.fun, go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page at the bottom where it says buy, the green button, press that. Now type in the amount of pump.fun you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $6 worth, you would type in 6, then press review in the middle. You can then review the transaction so you can see how much of pump.fun crypto that you'd be buying, the fees, the total cost, and if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, at the bottom you can swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Pump.fun here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.